So check it out. I got my old Cobra 90 LTD. I can't believe it. Found this thing buried underneath a mouse house in my dad's garage, covered in filth. I'll show pictures right now. This microphone had been eaten through, totally ate through the wires, as you can see in these pics. Came home, took the cover off, full of cobwebs, dirt. Got everything cleaned up real nice. Rewired the microphone, took care of that, and working nice. Look at that. And right there it's keying about 6 watts. Hello, audio. Tone frequency. That meter is between 620 and 650 hertz high. So right there, it's 2735, channel 7. Cool. Alright, man. So excited. Can't believe I found it. Got it going. Cleaned it up nice. Awesome. Cobra 90 LTD. This thing hadn't been on the air in 25 years. So I got this radio in 1991. Used it a few years. It had to have been put up last time I would have used it in 1995. It's been sitting ever since. It's awesome. This is what got me hooked on radios, man, when I was 13, 14 years old. My dad put up an antenna, base station. Man, I was kicking it. I was loving it. Okay, so that's it. Just a quick look at the Cobra 90. Got her cleaned up. Can't believe it. So excited. Thought this thing was gone forever. And back in action. Very cool. Alright, let's do a quick rundown of this Cobra 90 LTD. Had the slide controls. So the volume, squelch, show you that everything does work. Squelch it out. Dynamic, and the RF gain. Alright, there's the look at the meter. Signal and power. CBPA, noise blinker, it does work. All of these still work. Automatic noise limiter, and then emergency quick channel 9. So that's it. All the channels work. I've already talked on it. Alright, that's the Cobra 90 LTD. Just got her up and going. So this was the bench, and just finished wiring it back up. Just wrote all that down so I wouldn't forget. There's a little soldering station. Alright, cool. Cobra 90 LTD. Man, I'm so excited. Can't believe it. Appreciate you folks stopping by. Hey, make sure you hit that sub button. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there.